Hey, what's up everybody? Just wanted to do a short video before the holidays kick off here. Thanksgiving coming up. Hope everybody's going to have a good turkey day. Beer drinking and watching them football games. Oh yeah. Anyway, I got this pair of Hogue grips in the mail today. And they are for my wife's SIG P238. So I'm going to install them, and we'll see what goes on. They are from Hogue. Let me take them out of the package. As you can see here, the grips are rubberized. And I thought they'd be a little bit better on the gun than the aluminum ones that are already on there. So we're going to take those off and install the Hogue grips. See what's up with that. I was a little hesitant about doing it, but my older brother, or my younger brother actually, had a SIG which had similar grips, and my wife really liked them, so I figured I'd go ahead and put a pair on her gun. By the way, this gun has been safety checked. Nothing in the mag. I'm going to take the mag out, do the other side. These things look tough to break. Tell you what, we took this to the range like you saw in one of the other videos, and this thing was spot on, man. I mean, from 25 feet, the wife was cracking some pretty good holes in the target. So I guess this is one of those wraparounds. Put it on like that there. There you go. Put the screws back. I originally wanted to put on some pink grips, but and my wife said she's not one of those pink ladies, that has to have everything pink, and that's cool. You know, to each his own. She doesn't like the pink, that's cool. She doesn't have to have it. So the thing that counts is that it's comfortable, and you know, it doesn't get in the way. There you go. Nice and tight. Other side. Now, like I said, this is going to be a short video. I got these in the mail, and I thought, why not do a short video? You probably hear a little bit of noise in the background. I just put together a new computer, and it's got a big processor in it. It's kind of loud, so I'm going to try and put it together for my videos, because it's a faster machine than what I already have. So there you go. Pretty nice grip. It's a little bit, I guess it's a little bit thicker than the original grips that were on there, but hey, that's okay. Pretty nice little sight picture. I'll tell you what, the laser on here does this little gun very well. She was hitting the target spot on, like I said, with that laser. So I think it's a pretty neat little gun, nice little pocket gun. I'm thinking about getting one myself. Alright, hey, if you guys got any comments out there, I would appreciate it. Thanks for all the new subs that joined my channel. And talk to you guys later. Hope you guys have a nice Thanksgiving. We'll talk to you later.